Honestly, no other slicer out there can give you this level of freedom and power when it comes to 3D coloring. Hey everyone, my name is Aladdin. Today we're talking about Audja, a desktop application that is a complete game changer for 3D printing makers. In this video, we'll go through the entire setup process. We'll start by clicking Download, creating an account with your details, and then walking through the standard installation step by step. Once you open the software, you'll be greeted by this interface. Navigating the build plate is super intuitive. You can zoom in and out using the mouse wheel and orbit or rotate the view using left click, just like in most standard 3D slicers. So that wraps up our quick overview and introduction for this first episode. In the next video of this tutorial series, we'll start diving deeper into all of the core tools and features Audja has to offer. See you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.